Now remember the quiz game we made? We can it would ask questions and calculate the score. We can turn that into a graphical program as well. It doesn't have to be terminal. And we'll use the same tk-enter module. So we'll load this tk-enter module in our code. Then we want to initialize tk-enter and hide the window, the main window. Then this is just variables. So we want to continue here where we ask user input. In this case, user input, we can ask using the function askString. So we'll say user answer is where you can type the answer. And you want to have an answer for your question. So the question needs to be shown as well. You can say put the question in the title and then have the answer box for answering that. Now we have two possible outputs. Either it's correct or it's incorrect. So we need the output message box. This is the title. And it can also be incorrect or wrong. Now we don't need the print function anymore because we use the showInfo method to show a message box. And at final you can output the score. However, let's run it now and see what it does. This should be questions. See, questions here instead of question. So it asks us the question, what is the, we can enlarge it and we can type the answer. It tells us correct. We can enlarge it a bit to see the whole question. Who is the president? If you type something wrong here, it shows wrong. And it keeps asking the questions until it finishes the quiz. Now, of course, you can also show a message box for your final score, where you can just show the score. Now, the score is of the type number. You see it's a numeric type, an integer. So you want to show it as text, as a string. So you can convert it to a string using str and in brackets put score. And if you run it and you just type some nonsense answers, you see it outputs the score, the final score here, which is 0 because all our questions are wrong. Now, of course, we can answer questions correct. And you'll see now we have a score of 4. We had all questions correct. So basically, that's how you can turn any simple command line program into a graphical program. You just use the tk-enter module.